So what is Forma? Forma is one of our favorite treatments. It is a radiofrequency heating that actually stimulates collagen and lifts and firms and tightens tissue. We can use that on the face or on the body. So how do we do it? We actually place some ultrasound gel on the skin so that the probe and the radiofrequency device can actually be in contact with the skin and transmit heat. And it heats the deeper tissues, so subdermal area, and it actually is stimulating collagen and remodeling collagen so that you can get tightening and firming of those areas. So we do it on the face, and actually lots of stars are doing that on a prevent basis, but even a maintenance basis, just to stimulate collagen, elastin, firm, tighten, but improve fine lines and wrinkles on the face. And so it's an awesome treatment to do on a regular basis just to keep your skin looking young and healthy. But you can also do it on the body. We have a bigger probe. We can go onto the body, still use that ultrasound gel so that the probe and the skin are in contact. We get better heating of that deeper tissue with the collagen formation. And again, you know how important collagen is for keeping that skin tight and firm and contouring. And so a big area of concern with women, and sometimes we'll combine this with other treatments, but is above the knees. Just tightening the skin is sometimes all we need. This doesn't do any fat reduction, which we wouldn't want on the face, but it does do tightening of skin. So if you have any areas of skin that need a little tighten, neck is common, above the knees is a very common area for women, then this is a treatment that you definitely want to consider. So Forma, face and body, and we also have a membership that it's a laser membership that includes Forma as one of the possible treatments. And again, that's an ongoing maintenance treatment to keep your skin healthy and young looking. And again, if you want more information, just please call our office and make an appointment, and let's see if this treatment is right for you. Again, we're here to revitalize your look, your health, and your sex life. Thank you.